How to get certified in Microsoft Excel. First, choose the Excel certification. For the current Microsoft 365 apps, the Excel certification path includes Excel Associate, the MO210, and the Excel Expert, the MO211. The Expert certification tests advanced formulas, macros, advanced charts and tables, data management, and workbook settings. Step 2. Prepare for the Excel exam. For the associate exam, study worksheets and workbooks, cells and ranges, tables, formulas and functions, and charts. Microsoft exam page provides the official skills outline showing what exactly is tested. And then third, create a sign into your Microsoft account. Microsoft specifically recommends a personal MSA rather than a school or a work account because your exam records could otherwise become inaccessible if you leave that organization. Then step 4, schedule the exam through Certiport. For Microsoft Office Specialist exams, Microsoft directs you to Certiport to schedule the exam. You can take the exam through the available testing options shown during the registration. Step 5, choose your exam date and location. Follow Certiport's registration process. Select the available exam appointment and complete the required information. The exact price depends on the country where the exam is taken. Microsoft notes that certification pricing can change and may not include taxes. Then take the Excel exam. The MOS Excel assignment is 50 minutes. The exam involves actually working with Excel rather than just simply answering traditional multi-choice questions. And then receive your certification. After passing, your Microsoft credential appears in your Microsoft Learn Credentials profile, where you can manage your certification and credential information. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.